saturation. So this is nothing but markers of that's normal. Another is very interval and second is part of arm to slant away to the line. So normally the construction for DC and DC generators, DC water, DC generator, same construction as good. So that is standard and so apart from standard so in that calculator brush magnetic frame or requires first magnetic frame or magnetic frame or outer cover. So that is nothing but and magnetic frame or it can be called yoke principles. Magnetic frame or yoke so for example, you are outside, you know, the water going again. Then you have windows sorry, the carry out all the God gets in the side of the water. Like the side of the water, it is summer. During the winter so there is a it is based on the price and rating of comprehensive quality. Installation. It's also five what are the five points? We made this. So I don't know that I will not. Still on our own duty. Installation during the operation, the first 2 weeks escape. Efficiency of commercial efficiency. It is for the protection of machine. What are your generator? Product control use for so there is something like so it is a scattering form or rotating form. Okay, but we have a sheet called as field. So field. All the difference is scatter, rotating, but the scatter The field system is this part of field system. Field, the field is the mind. Four position, four position, two position, so we know field winding, scatter winding. Pole winding is one bold winding is one field winding is one at the same. So you have this program. DC was right the call. Now, flex take flex taking the producer of it. Produce sorry, now. The facts that will be escaping from the communication partner that you know on the right from court now it's actually escaping the reflect பண்ணி again என்ன பண்ணுது மூணு சரி பண்ணி again first escape எல்லா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் voltage அதிகமாக efficiency அதிகமாக கரிசல் பாக்கீங்க சரிங்களா அடுத்து வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆர்பிட் ஐடிஎஸ் So the line difference is then commutator versus